Question 16. Separate samples of an unknown solution X are added to aqueous potassium iodide and acidified potassium manganate 7. So hold on there. Now, aqueous potassium iodide, students are expected to know that this is a reducing agent. Okay. So a reducing agent, right? It is used to test for presence of oxidizing agent. All right, and the other substance is acidified potassium manganate 7. Okay, this is an oxidizing agent. All right, and an oxidizing agent is used to test for presence of a reducing agent, which I will abbreviate as Ra. Alright, so it is observed that aqueous potassium iodide turns from colorless to brown. So this means that since there's a color change of aqueous potassium iodide, which is our reducing agent, right? This observation indicates that OA is present in X and acidified potassium manganate 7 remains purple. Okay, so it remains purple. There's no color change. This means that there is no Ra in X. So what is the answer for question 16? What conclusion about solution X is correct? X must be an oxidizing agent, only an oxidizing agent. So the answer for question 16 is option B. Okay, it must be an oxidizing agent.